Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a twist out. This is a continuation kinda from my previous video. So my hair is currently in the mini twist I installed previously, and my twists are about 2-3 days old. I had them installed on Friday and today is Monday, so I'm just going to take these down and then I'll proceed to attempt a twist out for the umpteenth time. So I had my twist threaded because, as you guys know, once you twist your hair with moisture in it, water or any form of moisture, your twists tend to shrink a lot, and mine is no exception. So I had them threaded to stretch them out a bit, and this is me simply taking out the thread that I did. So I used pieces of yarn to thread my twist, and I threaded them into 4 sections. So once you thread your twist, depending on the length of time you carry the threaded twist for, that will also determine the amount of stretch you get once you take the thread down. So here you can see how, sorry guys, I didn't actually take a picture or a video of my twist before, but they were shrunken to about half of this length. So this is what my twists look like at this time. I'm going to go ahead and start the process of unraveling my twist to see if I can achieve a twist out with this.
I worked for it and I got it. Thank you, Gonzalo.
Ignore my drama, guys. So I'm just going to turn my head around so you guys can see what my twists are looking like. They're actually 100% dry, but really shrunken in my opinion. If I do my twist on dry hair, they don't typically look like this. So this is what my twists look like all round. You can still see my scalp. The next thing I'm going to do is to take a rubber band, place that in my palm, and then apply some oil to the rubber band to prevent any form of friction, to prevent my hair snagging on the rubber band. So I'm going to use this to tie my twist up to the center or the crown of my head to make it easy for me to pick the twist one by one and unravel them. Next, I'm going to go in with some oil, apply a little bit of that around my edges just to take away some of the dryness that's around my edges, since I didn't moisturize my hair at all since the day that I had my twist done. And then for the takedown process, I'm going to start by taking off the twist at the back of my head. It's easier to work line by line and from a particular point forward so that you'll be able to see the twist that you have taken down and the ones that are not taken down, which is also one of the reasons why I have my hair packed up on top of my head. So for taking down the twist, I'm simply unraveling the twist in the opposite direction in which they were twisted, and then using a single finger to divide each section of each twist one time. So I'm unraveling the twist and then parting each section and running my finger through from my scalp to my ends just one time. None of the sections are big, so I don't need to run through each section multiple times. So I'm just unraveling it one time to make sure that my curls stay as much as possible, and to make sure that I can control how much hair I lose in the process, because I actually observed that as I was taking down these twists, I was having some snags at the ends or most of the section. So I had to be extra careful and be sure that I wasn't losing any hair at all. So this is a typical example of me experiencing snags, and I'm done with my entire head, or I'm on the last section now. You can see how full my hair is already looking. And what I've observed about twist outs for me, guys, remember I have said once or twice in my previous videos that I don't get the best results from twist outs. What I've observed is that the longer my hair gets, the prettier my twist out looks. So when my hair was shorter and I attempted twist out, it wasn't pretty at all. But I observed that once my hair advances a little bit more in length and I start to thread my sections out before I unravel my twist, I get much better results. So that's what I started to do every single time I wanted to attempt twist out. I still haven't gotten the perfect results or the perfect twist out in my opinion yet, but with each time I attempt twist out, the results are better than the last time. So this is what my hair is looking like at this time. It's actually really good in my opinion, but I want to tell you guys that if I leave my hair like this, it shrinks in the next 5 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and start fluffing my hair using my pick comb, but before I do that, I'm simply arranging my hair in the direction I want the final fluff to look to be, and this is what my hair looks like at this point. So you can see the curls are showing here and there, and in spite of the fact that I didn't use any gels, this is actually a pretty look. So if you're trying this and you don't want to fluff your hair further, you can actually skip it, but for me, I'm going to go ahead and work on my edges using my medium sized tooth comb. I'm going to brush on my edges all around my head to make it neater, and then I'm going to go ahead with my pick comb and gently fluff my hair from my scalp. Previously, I used to just fluff my hair in any random motion, especially since my hair was not particularly long, but since my hair got longer, I started fluffing my hair in outward motions, making sure that I wasn't getting my hair all tangled up. So that's simply what I'm going to do, and at intervals I shake out my twist to make sure everything stays in the right direction, and then I go ahead and fluff my hair first forward, and then I fluff from underneath my hair at random points. So that just goes to give it more volume, to make it bigger, and to make it rounder. And now I'm almost done. You can see how shapy my hair is compared to before. My hair is actually not even. I haven't done a cut yet, so once my hair is long enough, in my opinion, I'm going to have it cut and shaped, but for now I'm not quite there, so I'm literally walking around with it the way it is, so that's fine by me. This is what my hair is looking like at the end of the day, and that's basically all that this video is about. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 4,000 subscribers. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment or a question in relation in the section below, and share this video out with someone whom you feel would find it very helpful. For now, this is what my hair is looking like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.